Dean, piece of writing paper and a pair of scissors. Here's a problem. Can you fold and cut that to get a perfect square?
A square from a rectangle.
That's right.
Oh, that should be fairly easy. If I line up the short side against the long side very carefully and then crease it along this diagonal, according to my calculations, all I need to do now is to slice off the unwanted piece that's hanging over, and when I unfold that, I should have a perfect square.
Easy?
That was an easy problem.
Just as well it wasn't the problem. Here's the problem.
Oh.
Okay, you've got a perfect square. Now
Yes.
we begin. I want you to fold that to get a square of exactly half the size. Half the area.
Half the size, all right. Well, I'll make it half as wide and half as high,
Which
and I
gives you
have
half of a half, which is a quarter the size. That's not what I want.
Oh, sneaky. Wait a minute. If I start folding in from the edges, I'll end up with another rectangle, I guess,
That's
won't
a
I?
rectangle of half the
Yes.
size.
I need to end up with that area,
That's
don't
a
I?
triangle of half the size.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I have 4 small squares.
Right.
If I have one of them,
Yeah.
and then the second one,
That looks
with
good.
little folds coming into the centre, and then the third one, across like this, starting to look like an envelope, and then the fourth one, according to my calculations, I've halved the 4 small squares, so that should be half the size of the original square.
It is. You're very logical and very correct.